how to set up your geo-targeting with your Google Ads. Today that's what I'm going to be showing you and walking you through the step-by-step process. My name is Isaac. I'm with Belle Media. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed this video. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to your Google Ads account, and since we're setting up a new way to get your location and your geo-targeting set up, I'm going to create a new campaign. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the little plus icon, click campaign, and I'm just going to select one of these campaigns. Say if you are a store or promotional, we're going to skip that. We're just going to go to just website traffic. You can do this with all campaigns, so don't worry about that. Whatever campaign you choose, you should be good to go. We're going to do a search campaign. We're going to skip this section, and we're going to skip this, continue, just clicking continue through all these. Next. Okay, so now we are at the locations setup. So we're going to go ahead and look at the location options. If you're not familiar with the presence or interest or presence and the difference of that is, if you are a service-based business and you're doing local stuff and you're trying to get people to your business or provide service for them locally, I'm going to say you need to stay with presence, which is the second option. However, if you're selling to a large range of people, maybe an e-commerce or store, maybe presence or interest would be better for you. Just read these and make the best decision. If you need extra help, you can click the link in my bio or in the description, and then I can show you step by step like what you need to do and how you need to do it, just with some one-on-one coaching, if that'd be easier for you. So the select locations for this campaign, we have a couple different location options. What you're going to want to click is another location, enter another location. So once you have this, it opens up a little box. I'm going to go ahead and click advanced search. So in advanced search, let's say I have a window washing business in Texas. So I want to do, and I'm based out of like Dallas, Fort Worth. Okay. So I'm going to click radius and say Dallas, Fort Worth. So Dallas, Texas, include. So 20 miles around Dallas. So Dallas is a huge area. I'm willing to drive a little bit. So let's say 50 miles. Okay, great. So now Dallas is in here, and then we're like, okay, we're done. Not quite. There's actually something that you would also want to do if you are going to be providing this service and things like that. You want to exclude some other areas. So maybe I would want to exclude people in Oklahoma from accidentally finding me and trying to book my services. I don't want to drive to Oklahoma unless they're paying a ton of money, but I don't think they want to. So not my ideal customer. So I'm going to type in Oklahoma, make sure I'm clicking on the state, United States, and then click exclude. And this is going to turn red. So this is actually great. So I don't want any customers from that. I also don't want to drive all the way to San Antonio. So I'm going to type in San Antonio, if I can spell it. All right, so San Antonio, it's a city, United States, Texas. I'm going to exclude that area. Oh, wow, it's barely anything. Okay, so I want to, make sure that I exclude whatever I need to. Arkansas is relatively close. I want to exclude Arkansas. I want to exclude Louisiana. So a lot of these cities, a lot of these zip codes, a lot of these states, you want to go ahead and exclude. Also, you're going to want to zoom out and exclude some other things like Mexico. I don't want to accidentally be advertising in Mexico. I don't want to be accidentally advertising in Canada either and spending my ad spend on customers that are never going to book my product. So you can go ahead and do all of these in like each single state, each individual country. I have a list of those that I will provide in a Google Doc, and you can add these locations in bulk and you can paste them all in here just like so. Once you have that, you're going to be able to save. Make sure you're not excluding the area that you want to serve, though. That's a very important piece that you don't want to do. You can also go in and look up your different zip codes and type in, hey, I want to get rid of this one or this one, and make sure, since Texas is such a big freaking state, you want to make sure you're not advertising in a bunch of zip codes that you don't want to. So you can start with the big cities, and then I would also work down to some of the more rural postal codes or zip codes to help you include that too. So that is everything. I hope you were able to get exactly what you needed to from that. And then when you're done, this whole section is complete. You can hit the little pull-up tab and then you can click next. And your geo-targeting for your Google Ads has been set up. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you get some great leads and they don't cost too much. If you need any extra help, make sure you put any questions you have in the comments below, or if you want to book a time with me and I can one-on-one coach you through some of these things, or if you just have questions, we can set up a time for that too. Have a great rest of your day and see you in the next one.